How to create a Connect session in DCO Cloud. Objectives. At the conclusion of this video, users will know how to create and launch a DCO Cloud Connect room. Additionally, users will know how to invite attendees to their DCO Cloud Connect session. Once you have an account with DCO Cloud, you will want to come to the DCO Cloud Connect server and log in. The address is http://dcocloud.adobeconnect.com. This is the interface you will see upon logging into DCO Cloud. All the meetings you will create will be listed in the My Meetings tab as seen here. To create a new meeting, click on the Create New Meeting button at the top, like this. You're then brought to the Enter Meeting Information page. This is where you will enter the information for your meeting. Under the meeting information, where it says meeting name, just type in the name of the meeting. For the custom URL, you have two options here. You can leave it blank and allow DCO Cloud to assign you an extension, or you can personalize one of your own. The benefits of you personalizing one of your own is that the URL is a little bit more easy to memorize. All DCO Cloud Connect rooms start with the same URL, that is http://dcocloud.adobeconnect.com. It's the last part of the extension that differentiates one DCO Cloud room from another. In the summary box, type a quick summary of your meeting. For the start time, choose the start date and time of your meeting. We will soon cover how to invite users to your meeting, but the nice thing about the date feature here is that once you have invited other DCO Cloud Connect users to your meeting, this date and time will show up in the calendar of events in their DCO Cloud Connect server account. For duration, select the approximate time you expect the meeting to occur. Again, this time length will be reflected on you and your invited guest's calendar on the respective DCO Cloud Connect server accounts. For templates, you have the ability to select one of the few templates already presented here. Once you have created a room, you can turn a room into a template and then use that template for future room creations. The nice thing about using templates is that once you have a template defined, anytime you create a subsequent room with that template, your room is already configured exactly how you want it. For access, you have three options. Selecting the top option means only registered DCO Cloud Connect users will have access to your meeting. Selecting the option in the middle means only registered DCO Cloud Connect users and guests who want to attend your room can enter. You will let the guests into the meeting at the time of the meeting. The bottom option allows anyone who has the URL to enter the meeting room at any time. The next section involves the audio conference settings for your DCO Connect session. The nice thing about DCO Cloud is you can integrate telephones into the Connect room itself. We will cover this more in depth in a future demonstrational video. For now, I'm going to select the setting that says, do not include any audio conference with this meeting. I'm going to click the next button. You are then brought to the Select Participants option page for your DCO Cloud Connect session. Here, you can add registered DCO Cloud Connect users to your meeting and then assign them the proper roles as you require for your Connect session. For example, let's say I wanted to have Mike Murtha have him be a presenter at my meeting. Now the easiest way to find Mike in the available users groups list is just to do the search feature. So I'm going to open up the search dialog box and then type in Mike Murtha. I see that there's two ones. I want his Adobe one. So I'm going to highlight his name and click Add. Now that he's as a current participant for my particular Connect session, I'm going to actually highlight him and then I'm going to change his permission from a participant, which is the default setting. I'm going to make him a presenter. I'm going to do the same thing with Ashley Keating. So there's her in the available. I'm going to add her and then I'm going to change her from participant to host. And then I'm going to add Eric Crawford. Add him. So once you've added all your users, what you want to do is you want to click Next. If you haven't added any registered DCO Cloud Connect server users to your meeting, just go ahead and click Finish. Once you have added DCO Cloud account users to your Connect session as previously described, you are brought to this page. Here you can send customized invitations to those you are wanting to take part in your Connect session. A nice feature of this is that the invite will include a calendar invite for Microsoft Outlook or iCal. You as the creator of the room have the ability to decide on who gets the invite and can personalize the message attendees receive by typing in the methods body to personalize your invitation to these users. Notice where it says in the To section, you can either choose to all the hosts, presenters, and participants get the view, Only the hosts get the invites, presenters, or participants. Now this only affects those that are actually registered for the DCO Cloud service and that you've actually invited using the Select Participants feature of DCO Cloud. For those users that you want to attend a meeting but who aren't registered for DCO Cloud Connect, we will actually cover that next. For right now, click Finish to create your meeting. Now that you've created your DCO Cloud Connect session, you just need to provide the Connect session URL to those whom you'd like to attend your session. The easiest way to do this is to copy the URL into a calendar invite and share the invite with your participants. We will show how to streamline this process in a future demonstrational video about the Adobe Connect add-in for Outlook. Finally, to launch your room, simply click on the link in the email. Doing so will cause the room to launch. That's it. You're done. You now know how to create a Connect session in DCO Cloud, launch your Connect session, and share the URL with those who you want to attend. You're on your way to being a master web collaborator. For more information or questions about DCO Cloud, please email info@dcocloud.com.